here inside of the kitchen at Brian's Landing one more time, and with an all-new dish that we're going to be showing you here today with Chef Tom McNerney, and we're here on 6523 East Seneca Turnpike in Jamesville, New York. Chef, what are we making today?
Today we're going to make our short rib risotto. It's a braised short rib with a truffle, caramelized onion risotto, roasted rainbow carrots, and MON-FRI.
So with that being said, here at Brian's Landing, supporting local and supporting small business, let's show you how it's done right here in the kitchen.
All right, so here's our short rib. We're going to rub it, season it with a little bit of our house seasoning. And then pop it in our pot here. Get a nice sear on it. Give her a nice flip. Then we're going to add some fine diced celery, carrots, onions, and a little bit of garlic. Alright, so now we're going to add our red wine. Alright, so now we're going to add our beef base. Then we're going to wrap it up. Put this in the oven for about 3.5–4 hours. Now I'm going to start the side dishes. Do the risotto first. Start with a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic, diced onions, and then for carrots, a little oil, carrots. Then our house seasoning, and we'll throw that in the broiler. A little bit, throw out our risotto, and then a little bit of royal white wine. Let that cook down for a second. Alright, so then once that wine cooked down, we're going to add a little bit of water and some chicken stock. On medium to low heat, we'll let that finish. Carrots are done. They look nice. We'll set those to the side for now. Alright, so now that it's all cooked out, we're going to add the caramelized onions, a little bit of truffle oil, cream, and lastly, a little Parmesan cheese, some salt, pepper. Now the short rib. Out of the oven. Super tender. So, risotto first. Then our carrots. Rib will go on top. And lastly, the Ep4. Then a little parsley to garnish. And that's it.
All right, it's time for us to try this signature dish from Brian's Landing. Once again, I'm going to let Chef lead the way here on what we're going to go after. So I'm going to let you have the first bite, Chef, since you made it.
All right.
It's all you.
Don't even need a knife, just falls apart.
All right.
Unbelievable. It's really good.
All right, well, you know I like it if I go back, so tell them once again what it is and how they can get it here.
So this is our short rib risotto. It's a braised short rib, caramelized onion truffle risotto, roasted rainbow carrots, and an Ep4.
And we're going to let you come out to 6523 Seneca Turnpike and get it for yourself, but this one's mine. Y'all have a great day from Brian's Landing. We'll talk with you soon. Thanks, Chef.
Thank you.